Anna Griffin's My Hero pop-up card kit makes 12 cards with a fun surprise, and the instructions guide you through each and every step. So here's the inspiration sheet, and it shows you on the front, so all of these layered designs, die cuts, pop-up inserts, sentiment tags, they're all in there. And this is a pop-up card, and it shows you different ways of doing those pop-up cards, or you can put it together just the way you want. It says it makes 12 all about him cards, 180 pieces within this kit, and more inspiration on the inside. Down at the bottom, it shows you exactly how to put together your pop-up cards, so that's going to be simple instructions to follow. She always gives lots of tips and techniques of how to choose those die cuts if you feel like you are challenged in choosing which die cuts go with which. Anna gives you lots of ideas with that. So let's start with this stack here, and then I'll start talking about these die cuts individually. You're getting 12 5x7 printed cards. So they're printed with all of this great, I think I have them backwards. I'm turning around. They're printed on the front. They're ready to, I had them backwards again. Okay, I'm going to turn it around because the fold goes at the top. And we open it like that. So printed on the front, ready to add your die cuts. And on the back, I love this, each one of the cards says handmade by, and it's got a little line there. So you can go ahead and put that you made these great pop-up cards. So we're going to get 2 of each of these designs, and there's woodwork look, you've got this kind of a damask look, but these are great masculine cards. So you'll have one kit that you can go to that has all of the masculine look cards that you want. If you've got a lot of men in your life, or every once in a while you need to do like a manly type of card, but you've got a lot of floral paper sitting around. So this makes it really easy to take care of a look like that. You're definitely going to get 12 envelopes that suit those 5x7 cards. You're also getting 12 die cut pop-up inserts, and here's what it looks like. You take one of those cards. Let me just grab one of those cards and show you. So you've got your fold up at the top, and the instructions will tell you that you're going to place the pop-up right inside here. You'll glue it in place, then glue this side and close it. And once you do that, when you open it up, it's all glued together, and you have pop-up steps. And that's where you're going to place all of those die cuts and make it fun and easy. See how easy that was? You just glue that in place, it'll pop up, and you start adding your die cuts. So that's what's fun and easy about this kit. So you're going to get 2 each of these designs, and the pop-ups match the cards perfectly. So just kind of quickly, you can see there's a blue pop-up that goes with the blue card. You can mix and match them. You can put the gray one with the red one, or whatever you like. I love that script pop-up design. So all of the pop-up cards you need there are 12 of those inserts. And then we get into foiled sentiments. 24 foiled sentiments. Here they are up at the top, and you're going to get 2 of each kind. This one says, "Thanks for everything." And so there is thanks, there's on your special day, because you are awesome, I am proud of you, because I am grateful for you today and every day. And these are actually the sentiments for the inside of the card, and the front of the card, I probably should have started with those, are right here. Good luck to you. For my brother, let's see if I can pick these up. For my brother, do we have a father? You are my hero. For my father, there you go. So for a couple of different names there. Sending you my love, and on your special day. So you can mix and match those for the front and the inside of your card. You also get these nice die cut border pieces. They'll span the width of your card, so it's going to be really easy to add a nice little border to your card. Lots and lots of those. And these are part of the 120 die cuts, which are right here. 120 die cuts, 48 are foiled, and 72 are printed. The foiled ones are really, like spectacularly foiled. They're kind of a ivory color with this great silver foiling. So you've got bottles of champagne, you've got great flourishes. And these are nice little backgrounds for some of the other die cuts, or maybe for a sentiment. Got lots of different shapes of the flourishes on the right, and on the left side we've got balloons, so that's great for like a birthday theme. And leaves, that's nice, looks like maybe a maple leaf, no, maybe not, I'm not sure. Stars, beautiful, and all with that beautiful gold foiling. And then we have the printed, really fun die cuts, butterflies, dark butterflies, so that theme, it sort of makes it a masculine theme if it's dark, I guess, and fish and leaves, and you're going to get more than one of each of these, at least two of each of these little designs. And I love the trophy, lots of beautiful leaf sprays, and these are going to look so gorgeous with those gold foiled pieces that I just showed you. Love that old-fashioned vintage look. There's some baseballs in here, records. So, I mean, gosh, that'd be, I was going to say this would be great for teenagers too, but I don't think they know what record albums are anymore, so maybe that wouldn't be. But it would certainly be fun for someone who remembers what records are. I do. So leaves and more fish. So anyway, lots of really fun die cuts to play with, mix and match. And you're going to get just really interesting looking cards. These pop-up cards are so much fun. And Anna Griffin makes it so fun and simple to make great masculine pop-up cards with the All About Him, My Hero pop-up card making kit.